Xiaomi 15 Ultra, from my flagship smartphone. Xiaomi 15 Ultra, from my flagship smartphone.
Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we have something super exciting, the Xiaomi 15 Ultra. This is Xiaomi's biggest and most powerful flagship yet, packed with some mind-blowing features. From its powerful Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset to the Leica-powered 200-megapixel ultra telephoto camera, this phone is an absolute beast. But is it really worth the hype? Let's dive deep into everything you need to know. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into something truly insane, the Xiaomi 15 Ultra. This is Xiaomi's biggest, baddest, and most powerful flagship yet. A monster Snapdragon 8 Elite processor, a stunning WOCT plus AMOLED display with 3200 nits brightness, an absolutely insane 200MP ultra telephoto camera. But wait, is it really that good? Or is there something to watch out for? Stick around, because we're breaking it all down for you. Design and build a premium beast. The Xiaomi 15 Ultra is a beauty to look at and a beast to hold. Sleek quad-curve AMOLED display, it just melts into your hand. Xiaomi Shield Glass 2.0 super durable, IP68 water and dust resistance. But wait, don't take it for a swim. Xiaomi warns, it's only tested under lab conditions. So, poolside selfies? Risky. Performance Snapdragon 8 Elite means insane speed. This phone is fast. Snapdragon 8 Elite processor up to 4.32 GHz. 16 GB Elder 5X RAM plus 512 GB UFS 4.1 storage. Gaming? Bring it on! With the Adreno GPU, everything from Genshin Impact to Call of Duty Mobile runs like a dream. Benchmarks? This phone is going toe-to-toe with the top flagships of 2025. Design and build premium feel. The Xiaomi 15 Ultra comes with a sleek and bold design, featuring a quad-curve AMOLED display for that premium, bezel-less look. At 9.48mm thickness and weighing 229 grams, it's solid and feels premium in hand. It's built with Xiaomi Shield Glass 2.0, giving it super durability. And yes, it's IP68 rated, meaning it can handle water splashes and dust, but Xiaomi warns, don't take it for a swim. Performance Snapdragon 8 Elite powerhouse. Now, let's talk about performance. This beast is powered by the Snapdragon 8 Elite, built on a 3nm process, meaning super efficiency and blazing fast speeds. CPU, 2x prime cores clocked at 4.32 GHz plus 6x performance cores at 3.53 GHz. Display, a visual masterpiece. Wow! Just wow! Xiaomi killed it with this screen. 6.73-inch WOCT plus AMOLED display, ultra crisp. Adaptive 120Hz refresh rate, smooth as butter. 3200 nits peak brightness. Even under the blazing sun, you'll see everything. HDR10+, Dolby Vision, and wet touch technology. Watching movies? Feels like a mini IMAX in your pocket. Camera system, Leica magic. This is where the real fun begins. Xiaomi partnered with Leica to create an insane camera system. Leica totally quad camera setup has installed, comes with 3 of the 50-megapixel cameras and 200-megapixel, which now beats as Vivo X200 Pro, leading in world's best camera mobile phone. Leica 50-megapixel main primary camera comes with huge 1-inch sensor for mind-blowing low light shots. Leica 200-megapixel ultra telephoto camera, WHAT. This thing has 100mm focal length plus stabilization using OIS plus 120x zoom. You can literally see the moon's craters. Leica 70mm floating telephoto perfect for portraits. Leica 50-megapixel ultra-wide stunning landscapes. And video quality, 8K recording at 30 FPS, 4K record slow motion at 120 FPS. Dolby Vision supports cinema quality footage. With all the high resolution support, user can record in log mode for cinematography, benefits after color grading. There are multiple modes that creates portrait videos and vlog mode changes with inbuilt filters. Oh, and the 32-megapixel selfie camera supports 4K recording on a front cam. Yes, please. Battery and charging. With the Super Surge battery management, this charging is ridiculously fast. 5,410 mAh battery all-day power. 90 watts hypercharge 0 to 100% in under 30 minutes. 80 watts wireless charging. It's amazing. It supports the reverse wireless charging as well. And the best part, Xiaomi actually includes the 90 watts charger in the box. Unlike some companies doesn't. Yeah, Apple, we're looking at you. Audio and connectivity fully loaded. Stereo Dolby Atmos speakers loud, clear, immersive. Wi-Fi 6 plus Bluetooth 6.0 future-proof connectivity. Dual SIM plus eSIM support perfect for travelers. Software and versions. A new custom Xiaomi's HyperOS 2. HyperOS 2 is smoother, faster, and smarter than ever. Recently, Hyper 2.2 OS is also released, AI-powered optimizations, long-term software updates, better battery management. With surge optimization, which is fantastic, expect blazing fast speeds and tons of AI-powered features dropping in March 2025. Pros and cons, the final verdict. Pros: blazing fast Snapdragon 8 Elite processor, gorgeous 3200 nit quad curve AMOLED display, insane Leica 200 megapixel telephoto camera, 90 watts wired and 80 watts wireless charging, next level, stereo Dolby Atmos speakers, epic sound, IP68 water and dust resistance, but be careful. Cons: AI features and Google services may have regional limitations. IP68 is lab-tested, not beach or pool-proof. Power adapter may not be included in some regions. It's slightly heavy at 229 grams. If you love lightweight phones, this ain't it. Should you buy the Xiaomi 15 Ultra? Short answer: yes, if you want a powerhouse phone with mind-blowing cameras, a stunning display, and crazy fast charging. This is it. But if you're looking for something lightweight, or if AI features matter to you and aren't available in your country yet, you might want to wait. Your turn. What do you think about the Xiaomi 15 Ultra? Drop a comment below. Let's discuss. Like, share, and subscribe for more epic tech reviews. Turn on notifications so you never miss an update.